Hey awesome fans, me Megashark, and today I'm playing Mobius. So, I guess let's get to it. It's on VRCHAT. User warning. Oh.
Hey, just so you know, everything this was,
Is this?
it really was real to me. So, call me back.
Is this person?
Hi, my name is Jack.
Hi Jack.
Better known as Church. I'm the creator of this world, and I'll be your guide throughout it.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you the story of Mobius, which, by definition, is the past 2 years of my life.
Alright.
So whenever you're ready, you can just grab that disc right off the desk and put it into the player.
Okay. So this disc and... Go away! So this disc and put it on here. Complete madness. Press any keys to begin. Oh.
I can't tell if it looks more like a stand-up comedy stage or a funeral home.
Okay. Anything? Chapter 1. Madness.
Picture this. You have a little idea for a world. So you start with that idea, you begin work on this little project, and the people you show it to start to take interest in it.
Yeah.
That recognition really drives you. But soon enough, you hit a roadblock. You don't really know what you're doing.
Yeah.
You're full of this promise of something great, but truly you started work on an idea that you never finished.
Never finished, yeah. So what do you want me to do? Want me to stop it? Where do I put this letter to? Anyways, what do I do? Can I get a can of soda? Oh yeah, I can. Whoa, why is my screen this color? That was fun. Do I need this? I'm gonna take it just in case I need it. Now what? Okay, it says, hi, welcome to Mobius. This is the world is sort of just an ocean of my mind. Before you go ahead, I just want to warn that nothing ahead has any meaning. It's all just stuff I made because I thought it was interesting. Is there anything else I need? Where do I go after this? I already had a soda. Now what do I do? There we go.
In simple terms, that's what Mobius is. An unfinished idea.
Shut up. You're annoying. I just don't know if it'll mute my voice if I do that. What on earth is going on here? What just happened? What's going on?
But if the idea was never finished, would you really be here now?
I don't know. But which way do I go? Maybe I follow where it says arrows.
No, you wouldn't. But how did we get here?
I don't
Well,
know, man.
I'm going to tell you all about it.
Well, tell me about it. How long does this go for? My hands are aching.
Just stay with me for a while, and I promise you'll find out.
What is this? Oh my goodness, what is this place? Are you gonna tell me or what? Stop it. Whoa. Welcome to Mobius. An experience by Jack K. Enjoy your stay and thank you for your patience. Okay.
So let's start with a question. Why was the disc called Madness? Before I answer that, I'll tell you this. I intend to tell you this story by splitting it off into different parts. Each has its own corresponding disc, date, and name, as you saw before. Starting off with Madness. Madness was actually the original name of Mobius. This was way back when I intended to make it simply a mindless walking simulator with really strange and abstract environments. By the way, right here you can go down whichever pathway you please.
Yep. Okay. Going this way. Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry if yawning. Just tired, that's all.
It still kind of retains that walking simulator aspect today. Take that as you will in playing this world.
Yeah.
But anyways, I showed these environments to a lot of people, and you know what? I got so much support. I had people giving me ideas, I had a lot of positive feedback. And it wasn't even that good of quality back then. I was only just learning how to make worlds.
Why can't I exit? Won't let me. I guess I have to go the other path, I guess, if this one's not letting me.
So over time, with that feedback and such, I just started pumping out more and more of these environments and putting them into this quote-unquote madness project, with no real direction or sense of purpose of why I was doing it. They were just there to walk around in.
Yeah. And what else? Okay, now can I go to the upper room?
currently you're in a sort of stripped down version of the very first alpha of the Madness Project, which is actually currently public if you want to go and play that at some point. But for a little bit, I'm just going to let you go on your own, and I will get back to you when we're ready to start the next section.
You're crazy. What on earth? Where am I? Okay. This is getting crazy. Do I go up? I think I go up. This is getting crazy.
As promised, I'm back. You're currently approaching the very end of this part.
Yeah.
But anyways, this is actually the last environment I ever made for the very first alpha, the quote-unquote Madness Project. Before the project started to hit its development hell phase, which unfortunately lasted for a whole 2 years.
Yeah.
So for a while, you and I are going to go look through a lot of those iterations that were made during the development hell phase. And I won't be able to include every single part of that phase because, believe me, there is a lot to look at, a lot that happened during those 2 years, but I'll do my best to sum it up for you. So, let's go check that out, shall we?
If I can find the door. It's very beautiful. Oh my. Wow, when where am I? Where's my lounge room? I mean, where do I put this thing? That's my bedroom, but it's again. Here we go. Okay.
Mobius release date, June 20th, 2028.
Okay, that's in the future. I'll do this chapter and I feel what I feel
Okay,
after.
so you've got a base, you've got something rudimentary, but still a good base to build off of.
Yeah.
Now, where do you go from there?
Whoa.
This is when you go blank. Do me a favor, try to think of some sort of story for the levels I showed you.
You want me?
It's difficult, isn't it? I thought the same. So you might ask, why even add a story? Why not just make it a mindless walking simulator like how it already was? I very well could have, but I just couldn't stand the idea of it not having any meaning.
Up there?
I don't know if you've been to any of my other worlds on this platform, but 9 times out of 10, they have some sort of symbolism hidden within them. And that symbolism was really only ever placed there for me. I wanted to expand that symbolism into something more memorable and impactful for people other than myself. But how do I tell a meaningful story? I still don't even know how. So you know what? Let's just keep adding to what we already have.
But which way? Whoa! Where am I?
You've already been here before.
Yes.
Same environment, new, strange changes. That became a trend for the entirety of the rest of development of Mobius, constantly backtracking to something I had made in the past and altering it slightly, or even in some cases just straight up removing it simply because I didn't like it anymore. I'm not going to comment on this area.
Shit.
Not yet. I probably won't. Just keep moving.
Okay. What's going on?
For the next few iterations of Mobius, I really wanted it to be heavily puzzle-oriented. You can kind of see that idea starting to show itself with that key you just got. So I'm going to take a minute to talk about a semi-obscure piece of media. There's this mod for Doom called My House. And yes, I'm going to go into detail talking about a fucking Doom mod in my VRCHAT story world.
Okay.
So anyways, it's this whole ARG where you explore a recreation of a dead guy's house within Doom. And as you progress, things start to twist and contort, and it takes you on this really wild journey.
Yeah?
I was about halfway through development of Mobius, or at least this iteration, when it came out. I saw it, and I thought it was really cool. So I wanted to make something like it myself. So being me in my search of whatever I was trying to do with this world, I tried to integrate similar concepts into Mobius. Now, instead of walking through a bunch of environments, you had to find a key or decode Morse code or something to get to the end. A lot of VRCHAT puzzle worlds really like Morse code. Have you ever noticed that?
Yes.
Anyways.
Yes, I have.
It worked for the time being.
This is a long walk. This is.
Another sort of philosophy that game/mod introduced me to was always returning to a specific place, finding new things every time. Something new out of place, or something previously impossible. Progression that always roots back to the start.
Now where am I? Oh my goodness. Whee! Which way? Oh, anyway. This is crazy.
This is actually where this chapter ends, but since I have to tell you this story in chronological order, we're going to have to wait a little bit before I can show you what one of those puzzle-focused iterations look like.
Okay.
The next chapter is going to be a little bit more bittersweet than any other. I'll see you there.
Oh my goodness. Well, awesome fans. Well, awesome fans, that'll be it for now. Don't forget to hit that like button, please subscribe, and comment down below. Have a nice day, awesome fans. Bye.